Hello everyone, this is G5 Forex Academy. Do you know how you can make $50 every day starting with just $1? With a simple strategy, you'll be making $50 every day with little or no experience. Then you graduate to be making $100 daily to $1,000 daily. Contact us for mentorship today. We are going to show you the basics of candlestick psychology and combining it with our indicator, which we are going to give you for free. You perfectly predict the market and be making $50 to $100 every day. Now let's show you how you can make $50 starting with only $1. We are going to be using 1 minute candlestick and 1 minute expiration time. Now let's start. We are going to use strategy we call candlestick psychology. Candlestick psychology is all about analyzing the strength and weakness of buyers and sellers and use it to predict the next candle. The red candle is seller's candle, green candle is buyer's candle. If you want to analyze this market, we'll see that this is buyer's entry point and this is a strong candle. Strong candle reverses the market, so we are going to place a higher option. We start with $1. They are going to give us 89 cents, meaning that they are going to collect 11 cents, which is their commission. And we are going to place 2 trades in order for us to get up to $2. You see that why we place a higher option is because this is buyer's entry point and this market is not a strong downtrend because buyers are entering and the market closes at buyer's level. Now let's see if we can go with buyers or go with sellers. Now the market seems to make it higher highs and higher low. Okay, now this market makes it. Okay, let's move on. We are going to I hope we are not late. Yes, we place a lower option because we said that candlestick psychology is all about analyzing the strength and weakness of buyers and sellers. Buyers enter very strongly. Buyers entered again here. Sellers were able to enter up to this level. Buyers entered and they could not cross this level. It means that buyers are becoming very weak. And the market movement seems to be making higher highs and higher low. The market needs to come down again before it starts going up. And that's why we place a lower option. Now we are getting $2. We can now place $3. Now if you win, it's green. If you lose, it will tell you red. Now let's analyze this market. Now let's see. This is seller's area. But in seller's area, we are seeing buyer's candle. Sellers are supposed to enter and bring this market down. If this market is a bullish candle, then we go with buyers. It means that sellers are not strong in their level. Okay, but buyers did not cross this level. This level has not been crossed, so we cannot go with buyers, and neither can we go with sellers. So we are going to avoid this candle and wait. Let's look for another opportunity. Okay, we have gotten an opportunity. In this place, we can see that sellers are now very strong in this area and they want to break this level. So we are going to go with sellers. We place a lower option because we are seeing 1, 2, 3 red candle. It means that sellers are now becoming very strong. So they are going to continue the market. They are going to continue this market. That's why we place a lower option. Now let's see how the market closes. We have seen that sellers are becoming very strong and sellers are going to continue this market. Let's see. We are going to place $3 again. Sellers are going to continue this market. This market will continue going down because sellers are now very strong. So that's why now we place $3. We saw an opportunity that sellers are going to continue the market, and that's why the same trade we place again. When we saw opportunity, we mean short trades, trade that we are sure that we are going to win, like 90 to 100% sure you are going to win. Then you place the trade. You don't waste time. Now we have gotten up to $7. We are going to place $7. Okay, if you win this trade, we okay, now we are going to place $7. We are going to place a lower option. Now we place a lower option because this area is seller's area. Buyers have tried first one, buyer tried again. Now sellers came down very strongly, so sellers want to continue this market to go down. This market is going to go down. With secondary psychologists are analyzing strength and weakness of buyers and sellers and use it to predict the next candle. Sellers enter, buyers enter. Sellers enter very weak, that's why buyers enter, but buyers could not cross it. Sellers enter strongly, buyers enter again. Sellers entered again, even though buyers made a new high, but sellers could not allow buyers to cross this level. Sellers enter here very strongly. This is sellers pressure, not buyers pressure, and it's coming from sellers level. That's why we place a lower option, and we are going to place $10. And let's analyze this trade and see what is happening. Now the market seems to be going, the market wants to go up. Okay, the market has made a double bottom, double top. The market is going down, but this is a level. Okay, now this is buyer's level. This candle can still go up, so we are not placing any trade. Okay, we are seeing sellers entry. If this candle is an engulfing candle, it means that if this candle engulf this one, then we are going with sellers. It means because we are in a downtrend, it means that sellers want to continue. So let's see if this candle will engulf that green candle. Okay, means that the market is going to go down. We are supposed to place $10. That was an oversight. Let this candle finish. Okay, the market is going down because number one, we are in a downtrend, and number two, this candle engulfed this candle, and that's why it means that sellers are now more stronger than buyers. That's why we now won this trade. Now let's make it 14. We are going to place $13. Okay, here this candle can be a bullish candle, it can be a bearish candle. We are not going to place any trade that we are not sure of. Okay, it's better to place that $13 so that we don't go and place a trade on the hearing stories. We are seeing buyers entry here, and we are equally okay. If we are here, this is going to be, we are going to go with buyers. We place higher option here because we are seeing that there is a level here. This level has not been broken. There is a strong level here, which is buyer's level, and this strong candle reverses the market. Strong candle like this reverses the market, and we are seeing a level here. That's why we decided to go with buyers. So let's see what happens. Okay, now buyers are entering because of this level. This is buyers entry level, and this strong candle reverses the market, and that's why we won this trade. And we have make it $20. Okay, let's analyze. We are also seeing a range of sellers are trying to enter the market, but buyers are still protecting their region. So now 1 2 3 candle is now very strong, so So we believe sellers are going to continue this market. This market is going to continue going down now, because in this area we are seeing that sellers entered, buyers tried, sellers entered again, buyers enter up to this level. Now sellers still enter again instead of buyers. We are seeing sellers candle. So this 1 2 3 candle has made sellers to be very strong this time around to push this market down. So the next candle definitely is going to go down. That's the psychology of the market. So let's wait and see. Now buyers definitely are here, because here these buyers, this candle is proving that buyers are no longer here again, because if buyers were here we wouldn't have seen a red candle. So buyers are now here, and that's why we place a lower option. Now if we win this trade, we have up to $40. We are going to place $40. Now let's see what is happening here. We are seeing this is a momentum, and sellers entered very strongly. The buyers try to push this candle, but this is buyers area. This candle is now weak. Buyers can enter, but these 4 candles has formed a very strong momentum that can break this level. So we are not going to go with buyers, we are not going to go with sellers. Okay, let's see. Okay, we are going to place a higher option. Now we place a higher option because we are seeing that this level is buyers level. This is buyers candle. Buyers entered from here strongly, and we are seeing that sellers came, they crossed here, the buyers were able to push the market up. So it means that buyers want to take the market up back, and that's why we place a higher option. So let's wait and see what will happen. Okay, so the market wants to go up. The market wants to go up. Now we have been able to, this $40 we placed, which we are going to get 40 plus 40, 80. So I have made $70. So this is how you can be making $50 to $100 every day, where you don't need to understand the psychology of the market. You just need to know the basics. Then we'll give you indicator that will be giving you 90 to 100% winning rate. So if you are interested in our mentorship program, we are not charging. You just contact us in the description box below, or see our WhatsApp number. You can contact or you can call us. We are going to give you an indicator for free, and we don't charge. So it's an opportunity for you to change your destiny. Thank you very much, and see you in another video.